So today I got this beautiful Moondust palette by Urban Decay, and so I'll be doing a review and swatches of this palette along with my partial coverage foundation routine and an eye look using this palette. So if you like this look, then just keep watching.
These eyeshadows did not disappoint whatsoever. They are super pigmented, super beautiful, and totally worth the $54. The only iridescent color that's a little bit light is Spectar, which is the first color on the palette, but other than that, they're all very consistent in pigment. I'm going to start this look off by priming my face with Neutrogena Healthy Primer. It's only $13 and it can be bought at drugstores and it works great. I'll be filling in my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder in Auburn, using a tiny little brush to fill them in. I highlight around my brows using a Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil in white. I take some clear Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel to set my brows in place so they don't flake. I just got a new foundation from Sephora and I'm in honey beige, and I dot it all around my face sparingly so that I don't end up looking cakey or using more than I need. I use a damp beauty blender to blend that all in, pressing, not wiping. And then I take some loose powder and dot it all over my face to set in the foundation. Taking in Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, I use the medium brown and I take an angled brush and put it around the hollows of my cheekbones. Then I blend up towards my forehead to make it appear smaller than what it is. I always blend my contour up with a damp beauty blender. Then I contour my nose with the same shade using a tiny little concealer brush and putting 2 lines meticulously down my nose to make it appear smaller. Blend! To set my contour in place, I'll be using Maybelline's loose powder, and I'll go in with a kabuki brush and put it right underneath, and then eventually wipe it all off. Wet n Wild has new brushes that are super cheap and super awesome. The one I'm using right there is only $1.99. I'll start with ABH Modern Renaissance in Burnt Orange and put it around the outside of my eye as a blending color. Then I go in with Burnt Orange just to darken up that outer crease. Then I go in with Love Letter and I use a smaller brush and put it in the outer corner V of my eye. Now going in with the Moondust palette, I will be putting the reddish color called Element all over my lid. Now I'll use the blue shimmery called Vega and put that on the outer V and work my way in and blend it in with the Element. Now I'll go in with some black liquid liner and create a nice big dramatic wing. The lower lash line, I'll use the colors that were used on the concealer brush to blend, and I'll just put it under my waterline. Then I coat my lashes in mascara to prep them for fake lashes. Using my new Milani Baked Bronzer, I will go in and put that all over my cheekbones right above the contour. After I take some Ulta blush and I begin to just put that right above the bronzer and kind of swipe up. I use Eyelure false lashes on my eyes to give my lashes some extra length. I halfway line my lips with a red crayon called Daredevil from Ulta. And then after that, go in with Stark Naked by Urban Decay and put that all over my lips to create a sort of ombre effect. Using Laura Geller's Gilded Honey for my highlight, I put it all over the tops of my cheekbones, on the button of my nose, and the inner corners of my eyes. I use Urban Decay All Nighter as my setting spray, and I spray it all over my face and let it dry. And here is the finished look. Overall, I think this is a really great palette and it is worth the money. Normally, Urban Decay's shimmery eyeshadows sell for around $30 a piece, so to have all 8 of these for only $54 as opposed to $240 is a really great deal.